Alright, we're unboxing the large aluminum suitcase from Awaytravel.com. Shipped in like 1 day, which was really cool. It came in this big black box you see there. And then it has this wrapped around it, so it's very well packaged. Then it appears to have a bag around it as well. You can see the logo there. It's a nice carrying case, I guess, so you can store it without it getting dirty. And there we are. The reason we got this one is because it was one of those suitcases that was available without a zipper. If you travel a lot, you know that suitcases problems are usually the zipper. It has a slow closure handle on both ends. Keep it from grabbing on stuff as you're traveling. Then there's, I believe, yes, it's a push button with a lock, which are TSA approved. And there we have it. Nice clasp here, and then a zipper pouch to store your dirty clothes. That's always a big issue. Where do you put your dirty stuff? You put those in there. Easy closure. Check the wheels. Looks good. Handle. There you have it. The large, so I can give you a point of reference about how big it is. This is the large aluminum from Awaytravel.com. Thank you.